Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Zillow Premier Agent for investor lead capture, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect with Zillow Premier Agent, start by visiting the Zillow website. Create an account if you don't have one. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the Zillow Premier Agent section of the website. Click on Join Premier Agent for more information. Review the benefits of becoming a Premier Agent. Determine if you meet the eligibility criteria listed. Select your market area to focus on investor leads. Complete the application form with accurate information. Provide details about your real estate background and expertise. Submit any required documents or certifications. Once approved, set up your Premier Agent profile. Upload a professional photo that showcases your brand. Write a compelling bio that emphasizes your experience with investors. Include your contact information for easy access. Next, activate your lead generation features. Customize your settings to target investor-specific leads. Utilize Zillow's tools to promote your listings effectively. Monitor your lead sources through the Zillow dashboard. Respond promptly to inquiries from potential investors. Nurture leads by providing valuable insights and market updates. Leverage Zillow's marketing tools to enhance your visibility. Stay informed about changes in the platform and market trends. Engage with online Zillow communities relevant to your target investors. Track your results and adjust your strategy as needed. Maintain your Premier Agent status by complying with Zillow's guidelines. Finally, continually refine your approach based on feedback and outcomes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.